Hey guys, welcome back to iReview Daily, the daily show Monday to Friday where we review everything in the entire world. This episode, we've got a typewriter. We've got this camera set up here, looking down. And this is a bit retro, hey? And it's going to get quite noisy. But we're here. We have a typewriter. We're gonna see what we can do with this. So let's go ahead and get this all set up. Alright guys, we're all set up. Let's just write hello. My name is Steve. Full stop. Alright, so I got hello, my name is Steve written on this paper. We can of course enter and go back to the start using this duplicate which isn't even the start for us. We can use these to set it to how far we can go back, which is a lot better. So I'm actually going to set that to as far as we can go back to there. So now it's only going to go back that far, which is still technically on the paper. We got the power space, half space, and the full space. We got equals, plus. I mean, it's just a typewriter, really. Of course, you get that ding, and you can see that it gets stuck occasionally. So you just gotta press that, and then they go back in. Just like that. But you hear the ding, which means you're getting to the end, which means it's time to go back over to the start and start a new line. Of course, what do you do if you make a mistake? You can see here, I've made a mistake. Now, what do you do when that happens? Well, not a lot. You can go over it, which does look a bit dodgy, doesn't it? Or you just have to white it out, or just cross it out, and then just rewrite the word. But that just about does it for this review on the typewriter. Obviously, we can change the ink with that button. Oh, dude. We can change the ink color with this, so we can use black or red. We got that. Which I don't actually know what that does. The set button and the clear button. But that's all I can really say about this. Definitely get one because they're pretty fun. Obviously, they're not as good as, say, an actual computer, obviously. It kind of goes without saying. But for what they are, they're quite awesome to have around. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching this one. If you liked it, you can click here to subscribe. If you want to watch the previous video, you can click here. The next video will be here. But we just got one step closer to reviewing everything in the entire world. Thank you very much for watching this one, and